Studies have shown that cigarette smoking and nicotine can have harmful effects on babies in utero. For my senior capstone experiment, I wanted to look at larval zebrafish and the effect that nicotine had on visual development. We treated larval zebrafish for a 48-hour window when eye development was at its peak. On day 8, we ran a behavioral assay called an OKR, an optokinetic response. The OKR itself is a rotating cylinder of black and white bars. The zebrafish will track these bars with their eyes through their field of view. Once the bars leave their field of view, their eyes will snap back and follow another bar. This movement in the OKR is called a saccade. This experiment is used to test the larval zebrafish's ability to perform a saccade. Our results showed that as nicotine dosage increased, the number of saccades the zebrafish larvae completed decreased, the highest number being in our control. As our doses increased, the number of saccades decreased.
I always love working with students in the lab. It's one of the highlights of my semesters, of my years. I get great opportunities to travel with students, and having students in class is also wonderful. But being able to work with a student one-on-one in the lab, particularly on a project that they're passionate about, is a really keen opportunity. Eric worked through each step of the process, from experimental design to running the experiments, collecting the data, crunching the data, with enthusiasm, excitement, and style. He really had a good time, and I had a great time working with him. So it's a wonderful opportunity. And a remarkable opportunity for growth for the student. And frankly, I feel that I grow as well, because I get to learn some things about that student, and I get to work on sharing my passion in the lab.
Since coming to Washington College, I lived in Washington, D.C. my entire life. It's a city, and so coming out here to Washington College, I picked up a passion for fishing, and this experiment, being able to do fish toxicology and work with something that I am potentially interested in for a career, has been something that I am very grateful for.